Welcome to Buck Outdoors LLC. Thanks for giving us a chance to introduce ourselves. Now, for those of you who might not be familiar, Buck Outdoors, based in Greenville, South Carolina, we provide innovative environmental solutions, particularly in the realm of stormwater infrastructure. But it's not just about fixing problems, it's about sustainable and effective solutions. Buck Outdoors LLC specializes in crafting tailored solutions to manage and mitigate stormwater-related challenges. From managing vegetation to repairing storm pipes to implementing erosion control measures, we bring expertise to the table. But it's not just about fixing stormwater issues. Buck Outdoors LLC is committed to promoting environmental conservation. We understand the delicate balance between development and preserving our natural resources. Our work ensures that our community faces on a healthy environment to future generations. Now, here's something interesting. Did you know that Benji Buck has a postgrad degree in theology? It's fascinating how these values of stewardship and care for the environment are woven into the very fabric of Buck Outdoors LLC. It's not just a business, beyond the technical aspects. Buck Outdoors LLC is deeply involved in the community. Discipleship, church engagement, and outreach are integral to their ethos. They believe in giving back and making a positive impact on the community they serve. So, whether you're a business looking for effective stormwater solutions or an individual passionate about preserving our natural spaces, Buck Outdoors LLC is your go-to. Check out their website at buckoutdoorsllc.com for more information.